Hey guys, well, after that one of one Nero, let's break this next box I had out sitting out. I got a big Bruce Lee box over there, but I don't know if I'm gonna break it or not. We'll see. After that Nero, that was a beautiful Nero, one of one. Those Neros, those one of ones are crazy. I switched from World Series to Red Wings. That score was, yeah, I haven't watched Red Wings in a while, so. William Preston Longley, relic. Let's see if we can get another wicked card here. Bloody Mary. What we got there? Look at that. Oh, look at this. Proclaimed his inventions. Audience. Very cool. That was cool. Oh, Machine Gun Kelly. Relic. Pretty standard. Yeah, there we go. Love them. Blackbeard. Love Blackbeard. Machine Gun Kelly. Upside downer. That's cool. Usually see them upside down. Oh, got a triple. Nope, single. Luciano. Luciano. Lucky. There we go, Vane. Pretty standard. Julius Caesar. Boom. Nice. And finally, Sir Francis Drake. Final relic. Hannibal. Kid. Another Blackbeard. Yeah. And then boom. Sir Francis Drake. Nice. Like, follow. Appreciate it. Check out that one of one Nero, the last videos. Let's go, Villains.